What my summer research was this summer was looking at the synthesis of silica nanoparticles, and hopefully we're going to functionalize antigens onto the surface of the silica nanoparticles, and we'll use these in testing in infants, and we're hoping to bolster the immune system of these infants.
So my project is to document those desire lines. I'm mapping them and also photographing them and writing narratives to accompany them, composing them in a multimedia map that explores the idea and what motivations form these paths through our city.
I'm studying basal eye evolution. I study vertebrate eyes, specifically looking at the hagfish as a model, and I also use the zebrafish extensively as a comparison organism. And I'm trying to understand some of the steps that may have been involved in developing such a perfect organ for humans and all other organisms that use it as a sense organ.
A biosensor that will detect human cardiac troponin 1. I looks like a 1. But that is released, well, if you can detect it, you can prevent stroke, brain cell damage, whatnot. And so it's pretty cool.
You should really try to get familiar with someone whose research work you're interested in. Try to schedule a meeting. Try to just demonstrate that you are interested in their work and you're also willing to put in the hard work that's necessary to get to do proper research.
Talk to your profs out of class and make sure they know who you are, so that later on when you want to do a project like this, they know who they're signing on with. And
make sure you know what your supervisor is working on. Take the time out to read some of his recent publications, and then go and talk to him about why his research interests you, and specifically what you'd like to do. And a lot of profs will be much more open to receiving you that way.
Not necessarily email, but try to talk to your professors and try to get a job.